Chase here at Hydro Engineering today to discuss our Hydro Blaster 25/500E water cannon system. This is a UL 1776 certified system like all of our Hydro Blasters here at Hydro Engineering. I'm going to move around to the first process of this particular unit, and this is our storage tank for the holding water for this hydro. This tank is very unique because it is served as a solid settling tank as well as a freshwater tank, depending on the application. The application can be recycled or fresh. Now, this tank is unique in a couple of reasons. The reasons are, if it is used in a recycled application, there is a down tube in here that makes the solids do a 180-degree turn to make sure they drop out before entering into the Hydro Blaster pump. Now, the other unique aspect is this is a cone bottom tank with an interval timer at the bottom. If any solids are collected, the interval timer located inside of the system will periodically open that valve and flush them back to the wash pit. Now, that valve is actually controlled by the timer in this unit that is fully adjustable depending on the solids in the application. There are 3 floats located on this tank. All 3 floats aren't always used, but in a recycled application, the top float controls the incoming water from the wash bay. The second float controls the fresh water makeup in a freshwater application. Now, the third float is a very important float unique to this system that indicates low water and will shut the system down to prevent any damage to the pump. Now, let's come to the front of the control panel. Now, when the low water float is triggered, a light will indicate here shutting the system down, indicating that that water is now low and it'll prevent you from causing damage to this pump. The second light, which is another unique aspect of this system, tells you that the filter bowl in a recycled application, that behind this easily open compartment, the filter down in here, it will indicate that that filter is impacted with solids if they happen to reach this point on the system. Now, we also include an hour meter on our system, a lockable disconnect, and a simple start-stop button. All of the components and pumping systems to the unit are located under the hinged lid. We have a micro switch here for safety. So if the lid is open in operation, the system will shut off, preventing any injuries to the operator. Now let's come down here. This is our water cannon control system. Simple pull of the trigger will allow the trigger to actuate and send flow through the wand. By moving the handle will actually change the degree of spray. You can do a straight stream all the way to a nice fan spray if you're doing up close cleaning. This system is a great asset for anybody needing a high volume wash in both aircraft or heavy equipment. Thank you for watching this presentation.